Mika has requested that we make this into another woods video. It is the day after Christmas 2018 and we are headed to the woods after much packing and drama. We're leaving all the toys behind to disappear into the woods with no cell phone, no iPads, just each other. All right, quick huddle house stop. Get some lunch before we head into the woods. Are you guys sad? Are you guys sad that you don't have your Christmas presents?
No.
No? You're excited to go to the woods?
I have one of them.
What? What do you mean you have one of them?
I have my scrapbook.
You brought a scrapbook to the woods. So you're going to be scrapbooking.
I brought a coloring book.
You brought a color? What did you bring?
Coloring book.
Coloring books? Okay, we're going to color in the woods. What is in there, Mika?
Strawberries and whipped cream. And syrup.
You're like Buddy the Elf. Show me inside. Show me.
Nothing.
Hey babe, why don't you grab some of these dishes?
All right, we've been in the woods for about 30 seconds. We don't even have everything out of the van yet.
Nope.
And Mommy and Emmy are on the ATV.
They're gonna go to the gate and then they're gonna come back. And then I get to go, then Kenji.
So you guys are gonna take turns?
Yeah!
And maybe while you're taking turns doing that, we'll unwrap this side by side and then everybody can go. No, you don't like that?
No, I wanna do the ATV.
All right.
We'll do it the next time around.
Beep, beep, get out of the way! So apparently there was a little water
Let me out.
on the roof, a little bit, and now I'm soaking wet, and so is my camera, and so is some of my kids. Remember that time I was honking and making fun of my wife and thought it'd be funny? That was karma just now. I just got drenched. They're dry. What are you doing?
Putting water in this
Why?
for the cabin.
Is this how we get our water in our cabin?
Yeah.
So we don't exactly have running water in the cabin. This is our makeshift kitchen sink water.
Patty.
No. No. What are you doing?
I can't. Ow! That does not help.
This is our kitchen sink. It's an old metal big farm sink with buckets underneath to catch the water and 5 gallons of water straight from the tap. All right, I left a few seconds ago. Everybody was happy. We were making rides, and now, why are we grumpy? What happened? Dude, did you just pick your nose? Bro.
And Emmy broke the helmet, but Mommy fixed it.
So we made it down to the bottom fields. We're gonna pack up some of our hunting stuff. Hunting season's, gun season's over, bow season's in. Don't have any bow hunters out here. But you can see where this corn feeder was. There's a huge big circle all the way around it where they've tried to get the corn and eaten all the grass down to the nub. And then all of this stuff is the clover and the grasses that we've planted out here are almost gone as well. May have to put in another food plot come next year. Looks like we got some serious pressure on this. Came over here to this side field to check out our owl box. Made a little house for an owl. There's no owl. It's been up for like a year and a half. No owl. I know this isn't the season they pick their nest, but if you got any tips on how to get owls in the owl box, let me know. Motor. Lid. Your feeder. Should be fun. Alright, it's about 9:15. We just wrapped up with the Incredibles on the television. We had ramen noodles for dinner. What more could you ask for in the woods? Now we're coloring and getting ready for bed. To be king! Lion King.
Lion King. Picture Lion King.
All right, everybody slept in this morning. Woke up to some rain outside, so we're gonna spend some more time with togetherness in the cabin. And then maybe get the BB guns out a little bit later today if the weather clears up. I'd like to fly the drone as well. We'll see. What are you doing this morning, Mika?
Scrapbooking.
Scrapbooking. Is this a Christmas present? Benji, what are you doing this morning? What are you doing this morning?
Eating donuts.
Eating donuts, and what else?
Playing with my gun.
What are you doing this morning, Amy?
Coloring.
You're coloring? What are you coloring? Wow, good job. All right, we're now made it out of the cabin. It's still sprinkling a little bit, but we decided to make the most of this afternoon. We're now shooting BB guns, and we're gonna do our best to be as safe as we can, and teach some good firearm safety here.
Watch out.
That was very
Goes in
close.
the dirt. You can make that larger if you need to, just like a tripod.
Oh, taller?
Mm-hmm.
Do you need taller or?
She looks like she's squatting up. Tell her how high you want. Show her how high. Hey! Good
Which
shooting,
one?
Tex.
I got the green one.
Nice. Did you take your safety off?
Is the red showing?
That would look like a shooter. Going bazooka style.
Do it taller.
It's hot because it's long.
Well, you could do it on top of her shoulder if you want to do that. You can do that. Do whatever you want to do. You should be looking with your right eye. You can do whatever you want. You just have fun.
You poking me?
Whoa! She took her time, lined it up, put it down. Nice.
Oh my goodness!
Forward is on.
Forward is on.
All right, so we're done shooting for the minute. We got out the real gun, the 22, and let everybody shoot their 22. It's the first time the kiddos have all pulled the trigger on a real gun. Yay!
And no one got killed.
No, nobody got hurt. We put the video camera down for that though because it was all attention on the shooter. But we had fun. Your first time,
Yeah.
2018 December.
And then we found all of these bullet shells. And there's more. Yeah, there's more in my pocket.
All right, we wrapped up at the cabin. It's about 5 o'clock. Headed to the house. Gonna get a little dinner with Mr. Eric. Came to town, but the cabin's all locked up tight, ready to go. Kids are in the cabin. We got rained out for the most part today, but good trip. Nobody got hurt, and hopefully it'll be a good memory for the kids. But we'll see you guys next time.